Exterior improvements to be done in spring. This stunning newly renovated ranch-style home is sure to leave you impressed. Boasting a thoughtful split floor plan, this residence features 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, providing the perfect layout for both privacy and functionality. As you step inside, you will be greeted by the elegance of luxury vinyl flooring that spans the entirety of the home. This modern and durable flooring not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also ensures easy maintenance, making your daily life more comfortable. The kitchen is a true highlight, offering an abundance of cabinets that not only cater to your storage needs but also add a touch of luxury to the heart of your home. Imagine the convenience and joy of having ample space to organize your kitchen essentials seamlessly. 2.5-car garage serves as versatile space, providing room for your vehicles as well as additional storage. This extra space feature adds practicality to the property. For those who enjoy outdoor living, a covered patio awaits you. Get ready to be wowed by the seamless blend of functionality, style, and comfort that this ranch-style home has to offer. Don't miss the chance to make it your new residence. Highly acclaimed park district and schools. Minimum screening requirements. 720 plus credit score, income of 3x monthly rent and background check required. No pets, non-smoking house. Note, the listing agent, EL licensed realtor, is the landlord.